So last class we have studied different arrangement of the components in the applet or in the panel screen. So we have studied mainly three types of arrangements. One is flow layout. Second one is um, border layout. Third one is your um, third one is your what? Third one is your grid layout. Means you will divide into number of rows and columns and put the components inside the columns, means inside the cells. So this is one example of grid layout. So today we will see another layout that is called card layout. Okay. Card layout is just see the window here. Card layout means suppose in one screen, suppose this is a screen where windows and other is showing, and when it is clicked on windows it will show this button. When you click on other it will show another part like this. When it is clicked on other button it shows Solaris and macOS. When you click on Windows it shows Windows XP and Windows Vista. So this type of when multiple cards, multiple screens will be overlapped one by one, and at a time you want to show a particular screen, then that layout is called card layout. So card layout class is unique among other layout managers in that it stores several different layouts. Each layout can be thought of as being on a separate index card in a deck that can be shuffled so that any card is on top at a given time. Means multiple cards are there like playing cards. At a time, one card will be at the top, other cards will be at the below the top one. So that is not visible. Okay. So there are two constructors here in the card layout. That is, one is your without any parameter, another is your the horizontal and vertical position of this card layout. Okay. So now let us see one example of card layout program. Card layout. So just see the program here. Here, see the program. The card layout is one class using which it has created card LO. Okay, the card layout of this instance is created here. But remember, when you create using a class without using new, it has not created or reserved the space for that object, for that reference. Okay, only the instance is created. The reference name is created. Button, win, other. There are these are two button type object reference is created. But remember here, button also not created. Button objects are not created. Then inside the init function, this win button win is created. Reserve the new win equal to new button window. Means the button the text is showing inside the button, that is window, that parameter, and here it is created a button. Other, new button, other. So two buttons here it is created. One button name is win, another button name is other. Then add win. So where it will add? Under the applet where you are running this. So under the applet or frame, it will add. Add method will be added the object inside the frame or applet. Now here we are extending the applet. Here it is applet program. So Here this Win, that means Windows texted command button will be added to the applet. Next, add other. So this other button will be added to the applet. Now, card LO, see card LO is what? Card LO is card layout class object. Card layout class object. Card LO equal to new card layout. So here card layout object is created. Remember here it is not created, it is created the name only. And here it is reserve the space using new operator and assign it. So card LO is referred to take a card layout. Then OS cards. OS cards is one name. OS cards, here it is created. What type of object it is? Panel. We know, you know, the panel is also one container. Panel is a container. So here this card LO, sorry, OS cards is a container and that is reserved here. New panel means container is created here. It is created to the reference at this location. Now it is created here. Then OS cards dot set layout card LO. Okay. So OS cards, that is panel layout. There are different types of layout. So here we have set the layout card LO. Card LO means that card layout type layout set here. That is set the panel layout to card layout. Now here Win7. Win7, what type of object it is? Checkbox. Checkbox object. Win7 equal to new checkbox within parenthesis Windows 7. Null true. So Windows 7 text will be showing on that checkbox. Win10 another checkbox, then it is reserved and text is Win10 option. It will show whatever written in this quotation that will be visible on the screen. And this is actually the identity object name. Okay. Then Solaris. So checkbox Solaris. So three checkboxes of type, means three type of checkboxes created. It is referred here, reference created, but here data is reserved, space is reserved and assigned. Okay. Now three checkboxes created. Another make equal to new checkbox make OS. So for four checkboxes options are created here. Now again here panel WinPan. Panel, the panel type WinPan. WinPan is your new WinPanel is here, it is created. Another panel, that is panel WinPanel equal to new panel. So panel type another object created. Previously OS card is created. In the OS card, under the OS card, there are checkboxes are created. Okay. Now here WinPan new panel, another panel created, that name is WinPan. WinPan dot add Win7. So this will be added in the WinPan. WinPan dot add Win10. This is added here. Okay. So one pan is created, that is WinPan. So previously one pan is created, that is your OS cards. Then another pan created here, panel other pan. Other pan, then in the other pan there are two buttons created. Two the Solaris is your checkbox. So this Solaris checkbox and macOS checkbox will be added to the other pan. In the other pan it is added. So these are the process where it is adding the information to the pans, okay, to the respective pans. Now OS cards dot add WinPan, comma Windows. So here the meaning is PS cards, you know, OS cards. OS card is your panel type. Inside the panel add WinPan. WinPan is your Windows pan. This one. That means that pan again contains, see here, OS card is a pan. WinPan is also pan. But this pan, WinPan, is added inside the OS cards pan. Means this is a sub pan. You can say sub pan. And that is, the name is Windows. Okay. Similarly, OS cards dot add other pan, the named as texted as others. Okay. So after adding these pans to the OS cards, then add OS cards. Add the OS cards. Okay. So after that, win add action listener. So this thing we'll discuss later. Just uh, just for your information, here I am commenting this. Okay. So rest thing ignore. We will not see that thing about that thing. So here the applet is extended and card layout demo is the class name, and here inside the applet we have created two pan, um, parent pan, that is your win, sorry, one is your the total pan is your card LO, that is, sorry, OS cards. OS cards is a panel. So see here, OS card is a panel, and win pan is a panel, other pan is a panel. Under OS cards, win pan and other pan is sub panels. Okay, so that is added, and inside the init method it is written. Okay, and let us execute this program. So the intention of this program is to demonstrate card layout. To demonstrate card layout. Okay, so here it is compiled. Now to run it, because we are implementing each applet using applet, so here it is using applet. Then to run the applet, what we will do? We will use the applet viewer. Card layout demo.java. Okay, so here see the screen. This screen here applet is started. Then to here, this is your total window. Okay, and windows and others, these are two buttons. Just compare with the program. Compare with the program. So 4 checkboxes, Windows, Win10, Solaris, Make. Okay, and for Windows, this is Windows 7 text, this is Windows 7. Okay, then Windows 10, then and some other, this Solaris and Make is not showing here. Okay, now when this Windows and this other, these are the two buttons that created here, and these two buttons showing on the screen. After executing these two lines, the buttons are showing on the screen. Okay, so after that, card layout, card LO layout is created. Under the card layout, this area is divided into two, means it contains multiple cards. So in the card layout, one card will be at the top. Means when we started the execution, the top card layout is your Windows 7 and Windows 10, where it is written here. Here this is written Windows 7 and Windows 10 to WinPan Win 7, Win 10. So Win 7 contains Windows 7, Windows 7 it is showing, Windows 10 it is showing. These are all, both are checkboxes. Similarly, here this another panel that will be Solaris and Make. So when you click on Windows, it is showing this. When you click on others, it should show this one. Now it is showing this one. It is not showing this one. Okay, but because we have not written any code for clicking on the others, but it is there in the background. If you will stop, suppose I stop this program. Suppose suppose here these two things Okay, so whatever. So to activate the component, we will do what? Uh, we will attach some event or activity listener to the different components. Then only we can activate and we can do something. So already we have discussed two types of things, that is mouse event and keyboard event, in the previous 2-3 classes back. So that event you can attach here to operate it. So we will not go through details about the slide. Directly we will go to the program where we can apply the events in the different layouts. First, let us see one program, that is your flow layout program. Here, see here, flow layout. Flow layout is normally your from left to right, or the layout. When it crosses the right side margin, then the next items will be showing at the next line, next row. Okay. So see the just another program here. Flow layout demo is the class name, and we have extended the applet and implements the item listener. So item listener is one interface using which you can listen any type of event from a specific item. Okay. So here just see, just quickly just look this program. So string msg space null, then checkbox win7, win10, Solaris make 4 checkboxes are instance are created, names are created. Then in the init method, set layout, new flow layout left. So new flow layout means it will create a flow layout layout manager. So but here it is mentioned flow layout dot left means the from the left it starts the layout. Okay. So then win7 equal to new checkbox win7 null 2. So the checkbox is created here. Win10 checkbox is created. Windows 10 checkbox is created. Solaris checkbox created. Make checkbox created. See here only the names are created. Now here the objects are created. Okay. You know, to create the object, new keyword is required, and again the class name, then within parentheses values. So then, so after creating these four buttons, checkboxes, these are added. So here where it will add, this will add in the applet, current applet. So add win7 means Windows 7 checkbox created. Add win10, add Solaris, add make. 4 checkboxes will be added in the applet, current applet. Then win7 add item listener this. So here this is the code to uh, start the listener. Win7 add item listener this means when anything done on the checkbox, it will listen. Okay. So after listening, depend upon your particular event, it will work. And that for every event, you need to write the code. So here Win10 add item listener, Solaris add item listener, that means these 4 lines are written to receive any event for the respective item. Okay, so after that, when it receives the event, then the respective event, if you have written, then it will execute. If you have not written, then it simply ignore. Just see here, this is one event, item state changed. This is one event method which is overwritten, and that is public void item state changed. Item state change means when the particular items is state will be changed. So when it is changed, item event LIE, so it is receives IE, repaint. Repaint means the screen will be repainted. Means paint method will be called again. Okay, so repaint it is the statement which will call the paint method, which is defined here. This paint method will be called again when any state changes. So here inside the repaint, what happen inside the paint method, graphics is graphic parameter is received. So g dot draw string msg, here msg set to current state msg 680. This is the location, the draw message. Then msg equal to win7 plus win7 get state. The current state of win7 will be received by msg. Next, g dot draw string msg, another location where Windows 10 state it will receive. And get state method is the method of the particular class, that is here what is win7, win10, Solaris and get and make. These are the what type of checkboxes. So checkboxes, the status may be true or false. So here either it returns true or false, and that will be showing on the screen. That will be showing on the screen, because this true and false will be returned and concatenated with the win7 or win10, then stored in the MSG, then that MSG value will be showing on the screen. Now let us execute this program so that you can easily understand. The program name is flow layout demo.java. Okay, so to execute, because this is what type of program, this is your applet program. Applet is extended. Okay, in the applet, if applet is extended, no need to write the main method. A paint method is required or init method is required. Okay, so init method is here. Init method is the constructor of the applet class, and this is your paint method. So to run the applet, you need to run applet viewer. Just see here, Windows 7, Windows 10, Solaris. 3 buttons are created. Just parallelly see the program. Windows 7, Windows 10, Solaris are created from the left to right. This is the from the left to right. When window size exceeds, when the border it comes, then the rest data, make OS is not showing here. To make, suppose I extend this size, automatically make OS comes to this position. Okay, now here these are the buttons added, and after this it waits for the listener. Any activity, see current state Windows 7 true, Windows 10 false, Solaris false. These are not selected, click checked. So these are the values are false. So that value will be showing due to this thing. Okay. So when I do anything on these four, that is Windows 7, Windows 10, Solaris and Make, these checkboxes, then it immediately receives the it listens the event and do accordingly. So here what it is written, item changed, when item state changed, event it receives any changes, then repaint method will be called. In the repaint, whatever the current state it will be showing. See, Windows 7 state is true. Now when I click it, just all of you look this, it shows Windows 7 true, Windows 10 false, Windows Solaris false, Mac false. So when I unclick this, then immediately the program executed. This program is executed, and see here Windows 7 shows false and others already false. Now suppose, and remember here, it is receiving, it is waiting to the user for any event. If any event occur, then immediately when this method will be called item state changed, and this method will be called if you are changing any item uh, in the applet. So suppose I change Solaris. When I click on, then choose it, just see immediately the Solaris is showing true. Okay. So similarly, suppose Windows 10 I am clicking. Windows 10 it is showing true. So others are false. So now suppose Mac OS true. Okay. Windows 7 true. Now suppose I unclick Solaris, Solaris will be false, others are true. Okay. So this is a simple example of event driven program in the applet, and where we have used the checkboxes, and these are the messages which are showing on the screen, that is using drawstring method. Okay. So this is a sample program which is a event driven program in the applet, where we have shown the four option checkboxes and four texts. Okay. Now we will see another program, that is card layout demo. In the card layout demo, that is here again, just see add action listener. I am enabling this add action listener for Windows, other add action listener this, okay, and add mouse listener this. Three things I have suppose enabled. Now here the method mouse pressed, mouse event me card allo next. Okay, card allo next. Otherwise mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse released. These events are not written. Only one event is written here, action performed. When I click any event, choose any event in the mouse, okay, any action I have taken on the particular object, then this method is defined. So in these methods, it will do nothing. But if you run this add mouse listener, then if anything written here, then it will execute. But nothing is written in these methods, but only the action performed method is written. So if AE, what is AE? This action event. Okay, action event, when action event get source equal to double equal to win, double equal to win, action event, which means two things we have created here. One is win, another is other. If it is win, then it card allo show. So Windows OS card, in the OS cards is the panel. In the OS cards panel, it will show Windows. Okay, and when we choose this otherwise, it shows others. Okay, now let us compile and execute this program. Card layout demo. Just see here, in the previous program, when we have marked as comment, then there was no event. Now you see Windows is choose. I click on others. Immediately the card is overwritten, the front card back sent to back, and this card is now active. When I click Windows, it shows Windows 7, Windows 10. When I click other, it shows this one. When I click this one, see, nothing is written because no mouse click events are written. Only these two events are written, Windows and others. So that what it will do, it will show this panel or this panel. Two sub panels are created, that is showing on the screen. Okay, so this is the thing which you can do in a GUI application or applet. Okay. So these things we have discussed, and I will share these slides so that you can refer it for your programs. So next is the next is called swing. Swing. Swing is uh, swing is nothing but it is just like your AWT. AWT is your abstract window toolkit. Swing is also enhanced version of AWT, and that is supported in the new Java, and all the things whatever supported in AWT, similar type of tools are again redesigned, and it is already there. So that group, that type of thing is called swing. Okay, swing is a same concept as AWT. Does not work in ancient Java implementation because AWT was there, but swing is introduced after Java 1.1. So many more controls, and they are more flexible. Like Java, like AWT, here also so many other controls are there which were not in the AWT. Some controls, but not all, are a lot more complicated. Gives a choice of look and feel package. So in the swing, the design of the Windows application is better than the AWT. Much easier to build an attractive GUI. So to use the swing, you need to import java x.swing.star. Okay. So what is AWT and swing? The similarities. AWT having buttons versus swing having J buttons. Remember, in the AWT we were creating button, where in swing we will create J button. J for Java. Okay. A button is a component. A J button is an abstract button which is a J component. Like component, J component is there. Okay, that is, it is a abstract button, and it is a Java component, J component, which is a container, which is a component. So J component is a container, and that is also that container is a component. Containers. So containers, swing uses AWT containers. What are the containers? Panel, frame, window, these are the containers. So here inside swing program, you can use the AWT containers. So AWT frames versus swing J frames. AWT frames versus swing J frames. In AWT you are creating frame, and in swing you will create J frame. Just one character added, that is J, capital J. A frame in window is a container, is a component. So a J frame is a frame. J frame is a frame. So layout manager, showing using AWT layout manager, like the whatever layout manager we have discussed, plus some other additional, some other its own. Listener, swing uses many of the AWT listener plus couple of its own. Some more listeners are added here in this swing. Bottom line, that is, not only is there a lot of similar between AWT and swing, but swing actually uses much of the AWT. Like AWT, you can use also swing. Okay. So difference between swing and AWT. Swing is bigger, AWT is bigger, slower and more complicated, but not as slow as it is used to be. Swing is more flexible and better looking. Swing and AWT are incompatible. You can use either, but you cannot mix them. So actually you can, but it's tricky and not worth doing. Learning the AWT is good start, and learning swing means here we are discussing the swing, and just briefly we are discussing because all the things what we have discussed in the AWT. So many of the most common controls are just renamed. Like in the AWT, button B, new button OK. In swing, we write J button B, new J button OK. Only that is the difference. So difference between AWT and swing. Java, AWT, Java swing. AWT components are platform dependent. Java swing components are platform independent. Okay. So you may note down this thing, or you can refer the slide also. So it will be asked in the exams. AWT components are platform dependent. Java swing components are platform independent. AWT components are heavyweight. Swing components are lightweight. AWT does not support pluggable look and feel. Swing supports pluggable look and feel. AWT provides less component than swing. Swing provides more powerful components such as tables, lists, sculpins, color chooser, tabbed pen, etc. These are the additional things which is added in the swing, which was not in AWT. So as your requirement, you will use either the AWT or swing.
Sir, what is that pluggable look?
So AWT does not follow MVC, Model View Controller. So this is again a topic which we cannot discuss in this year. So you can go through this, where model represent data, view presents presentation, and controller acts as an interface between model and view. So here AWT does not support model view controller, where swing follows model view controller. Because of this MVC, these pluggable concepts are there. Means you can design, you can model your output, view output as per your wish. Okay. So this is the difference. So we'll not discuss this MVC. Now, I will show one, just a minute. So just all of you see this program. Can you listen? See this program here. This so here in this swing program, as I told you, java.swing.star you have to import. So then here JFrame created. In the AWT we have created frame. Here that is JFrame. Okay, and similar syntax, JFrame f equal to new JFrame. Frame is created. J button in the AWT, that is button, here J button, and it shows J button is created here. Click button is there. Then the area is set. for the button B, that is your size of the button. Then f dot add B, that is in the J frame it is added. F dot set size, F dot set layout, F dot set visible. These four methods already you know, to add some component, set the size, set the layout, set the visibility. These are the four things, and this is just equivalent to your AWT. Okay, so now let us compile and execute this fast swing example. And here, this is a swing program, main function is there, and that means using Java runtime you can run it. Okay, just see here the look and feel of this. Just when I move the mouse, automatically see the highlight, automatically it is highlighting. So in the AWT it is not there. So when I click it, so this look and feel is different than previous one. Okay, so this is the main basic difference between these two. As we have seen one AWT program here. Just see AWT program. I just again to demonstrate this AWT program. Java. So this is a program Java C, Java. Just see the command button. Okay, and in the AWT swing you have seen the command button. These are two different types of just a minute, I will try to show you. AWT. You can do some more things. Just fundamental about the swing and AWT we have discussed here, and more things you can learn if you are interested. Okay, but in syllabus only the introduction thing is there about the swing, and because of you have already and you know the AWT, so AWT again to AWT is a vast subject, so you can write so many programs. So for practice purpose, we will give some small programs in the lab.